Hello friends, I am Ambika. Welcome to SA Educational Hub, a platform to share knowledge. Service providers Situn and Ambika. In this Python tutorial, we will learn what is a string in Python, example of strings, an empty string, use of single, double and triple quotes in strings. How can we use a quote inside a string? Use of escape character in a string, multiline string, raw string. What is a string in Python? A string in Python is a sequence of 0 or more characters enclosed within single quotes, double quotes or triple quotes. So Python knows where the string begins and ends. For example, hello, Julia and welcome to Python world are strings in Python. String data types are represented by the str class in Python. In this example, a string hello is assigned to the variable a using single quotes. In the next statement, a string Julia is assigned to the variable b using double quotes. Similarly, in the following statement, the string value welcome to Python world is assigned to the variable c using triple quotes. The following print statement, print a, will display the string hello. The next print statement, print b, will display the string Julia. The statement print c will display the string welcome to Python world. We can get the data type of an object by using the built-in function type in Python. The last three print statements will display the data types of the variables a, b and c respectively. Here the data types are str. The string data types are represented by the str class in Python. This example shows that a string in Python is a sequence of characters enclosed within single quotes, double quotes or triple quotes. Empty string. We can even have a string with no characters in it called a blank string or an empty string. Example. In this example, an empty string is assigned to the variable a. The first print statement will display a blank line. The next print statement will display the data type of the variable a, which is str. String data types are represented by the str class in Python. Single quote and double quote forms are the most common methods to display the string. They are used to display a single line string. Triple quote forms are used to write multi-line strings or to print the string in the desired way. Example. In this example, a multi-line string is assigned to the variable s by using triple quotes. In Python, a multi-line string starts and ends with 3 single quotes or 3 double quotes. The following print statement, print s, will display the string. They display on the screen exactly the way we type them. Python allows us to use single or double quotes inside a triple quoted string. In Python, a single character is also treated as a string, where a single character is enclosed within single or double quotes. For example, a within single quotes or a within double quotes, both are string literals. We use a quote inside a string. Single quotes can be used in a double quoted string literal. In this example, a string that is Bob's dog is assigned to the variable s using double quotes. One benefit of using double quotes is that the string can have a single quote character in it. Since the string begins with a double quote, Python knows that the single quote is a part of the string and not marking the end of the string. Likewise, double quotes can be used in a single quoted string literal. Example. In this example, a string welcome to Python world is assigned to the variable s using single quotes. Since the string begins with a single quote, Python knows that the double quote is part of the string and not marking the end of the string. However, if the string contains both single and double quotes, escape characters can be used. An escape character consists of a backslash followed by the character you want to add to the string. The escape characters backslash single quotes and backslash double quotes allow us to include single and double quotes respectively into our strings. Example: an escape character lets you use characters that are otherwise illegal to put into a string. In this example, a string that is Bob's dog is assigned to the variable s using single quotes. The string has an escape character consisting of a backslash followed by a single quote. Python knows that since the single quote in Bob's has a backslash, it is not a single quote meant to end the string value. Similarly, the second string welcome to Python world contains an escape character backslash and double quotes. Here we have used escape character 2 times to put the word Python within double quotes. The escape characters backslash single quote and backslash double quote let you put single quotes and double quotes inside your string respectively. These escape characters look like two characters but represent only one character. These escape characters look like two characters but represent only one character. Multiline strings using backslash. A string literal can span multiple lines, but each line must end with a backslash to escape the new line. Example: in Python, the backslash character is used as a line continuation character. We can divide the entire string into multiple lines by using backslashes. We can use a backslash at the end of the line except for the last line. This example shows how to divide a string into multiple lines by using backslashes. In this example, the string welcome to Python world is divided into 4 different lines by using backslashes and assigned to the variable s. The print statement in the example will print the string on a single line. Using triple quotes. A triple quoted string can span multiple lines. In Python, a multi-line string starts and ends with 3 single quotes or 3 double quotes. They display on the screen exactly the way we type them. In this example, we have used 3 single quotes to display a multi-line string. They display on the screen exactly the way we type them. A multi-line string in Python begins and ends with either 3 single quotes or 3 double quotes. Any quotes, tabs or new lines in between the triple quotes are considered part of the string. Python's indentation rules for blocks do not apply to lines inside a multi-line string. Raw string. A raw string is created by adding an R just before the quotation mark of a string. The R may be in upper or lower case. A raw string ignores all escape characters and prints any backslash it finds in the string. In this example, we put an R before the beginning of the quotation mark to make it a raw string. In this raw string, the backslash is treated as part of the string rather than the beginning of an escape character. So the output is displayed with an escape character backslash. Raw strings are useful if the string contains many backslashes. Raw strings are useful if the string contains many backslashes, For instance, the strings used for the paths like R, C, colon, slash users, slash Ambika, slash documents or regular expressions. If the letter R appears just before the beginning of the code of a string, Python turns off the escape mechanism. The result is that Python retains our backslashes literally, exactly as we type them. It is very useful to specify the file path name or regular expression. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Previous video was pattern programs in Python. Next video is string indexing in Python. Contact us ambikarai27@gmail.com. Thank you.